dimensions. So in the last video we discussed about units. Now what is a dimension? To understand this, let's suppose I have taken an example of force, which is mass into acceleration. Now the standard unit of the force is Newton, which is kg meter per second square, which we can write it as kg to the power 1, meter to the power 1 and second to the power minus 2. Now if I write kg as m, meter as L and second as t, we get m to the power 1 and here this is 1 and here this is minus 2, and if we put this in bracket we get the dimensions 1, 1, minus 2. So now what do you mean by the dimensions? Dimensions means the power of m, L and t. These powers, if I write separately, these powers are called dimensions. And why we put this bracket? This bracket signifies that we are talking about dimensional formula. So if we write MLT in the square bracket, that means this is a dimensional formula. And if we just talk about the powers only, that is called dimensions. And if I equate this with force, with the physical quantity, this part is called dimensional equation. So the difference is clear. Dimensions means the powers. Dimensional formula, if we write this in the square bracket, and dimensional equation means when you equate this with force. So now let's do some types of the dimensions. Types of dimensions. The first type, that is dimensional variable. Now what do you mean by dimensional variable? That means any physical quantity, the value of which is variable but does have some dimensions. For example, force, momentum, impulse, velocity, displacement, etc. all have some value, some variable value, but does have some dimensions. Like for force we have just discussed, that is m1, L1, t minus 2. For momentum, that is mass into velocity, which is m1, L1, t minus 1, like that. So that is called dimensional variable. Second is dimensional constant. Now what is dimensional constant? As the name suggests, the value is constant but does have some dimensions. Example, small g, the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second square. So the value that is constant but does have some dimensions, which is L1 t minus 2. So the dimensions are 1 and minus 2. So that is called dimensional constant. Third, that is dimensionless constant. Dimensionless constant means the value is constant but does not have any dimensions. For example, pi, 1, 2, etc. So as you can see, like pi is 22/7, that is having a fixed value. 1, 2, these are also constants. So that is called dimensionless constant. And the fourth, the last one, that is dimensionless variable. Now the dimensionless variable means which has some value but that is dimensionless. For example, relative density. Like relative density, which is density of the substance upon density of water. So as this is kg per meter cube upon kg per meter cube, that gives no unit and hence no dimensions. So that is called dimensionless, but the value is variable. So that's all we have done about dimensions. In our next video, we will discuss the applications of dimensions. So if you have any doubt, please comment in my comment section. Thank you.